checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message, homie, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect.
Alright guys, so it is a great March day up on the old Colorado Rockies, and it is safe to say that it is absolutely nipple deep, if you will. Take a look.
Absolutely nipple deep.
These sleds are bogging so hard, like we can't even get up hills and stuff. I'm up to my, let's see, like waist deep of fresh, and then obviously deeper than that, but just waist deep fresh. So we're gonna try to not go completely under the snow and bog out, but it's pretty bad bog right now, so we're still gonna try to let her eat and pull some moves and get some film, so stay tuned. What do you think?
Huh?
What do you think?
It's hurting already, dude.
Why is that?
Too much boost.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message, homie, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I want the money, the power, respect, and I heard you know so-and-so, you not a threat, cause I really know so-and-so, they like my family, so they go pretend that they cool till they bust at your motherfucking chest. I'm getting gutter, my flow been like butter, my check in the bank, they see the number. All of my haters feel one of two ways, really upset or they show some respect. I can't even think about it, I've been up, so read about it, no beat around it, straight to it, no ring around it. You coming for me, we'll see about it, we'll never see it when I get my feet up. 100 meters where I run the fee up, and go ka-ching and I'm on a pia. I had to re-up on a reel, so you stay defeated, and put it back into the bit, cause I don't really need it. I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message, homie, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I had to put all their egos in check. You're not entitled to anything.
Alright guys, so we're back in the truck and we're headed for the house. It was a good day. I kind of messed the entire day up by forgetting my helmet at the house, so we had to run back and get it, but this road's not plowed, so it's kind of rough, so forgive me for the shake. But me and Moto got after it. He had some really good moves. His sled ran pretty good, and he had a pretty good day, so we are going to make some more videos, hopefully some more tutorials soon. Until then, thank you for watching, and until next time,
Have fun.
and let her eat.